This is the moment of a lifetime. The clock's ticking like my lifeline. Until I flatline, I push it to the red line. Who gon' stop me high? Who gon' stop me high? Breathtaking, a move that I make, I give it everything I got. Cause that what it takes, I push the limit till it break. The heart of the brave, the soul of a legend with the will to be great. Hold up. The soul of a legend with the will to be great. Hold up. Who gon' stop me in my moment? Who gon' stop me when I'm going? If you can't break me, I don't back down. I'm like a king, give me my crown. Who gon' stop me high? Yeah. Who gon' stop me high? Who gon' stop me high? Yeah. Like a king, give me my crown. I'm in my prime, I'm a giant. Heart of a lion, defiant, I am. Like a god when I'm shining. I move mountains like Zion. I got it out the mud like a diamond. You gon' stop me, who, what, and when? I go back to back like a champion. Ain't no tapping out with me, I'm only tapping in. Who gon' stop me in my moment? Who gon' stop me when I'm going? You can't break me, I don't back down. I'm like a king, give me my crown. Who gon' stop me high? Yeah. Who gon' stop me high? Yeah. Who gon' stop me high? Yeah. Like a king, give me my crown. Who gon' stop me in my moment? Who gon' stop me when I'm going? You can't break me, I don't back down. I'm like a king, give me my crown. Who gon' stop me? Who gon' stop me high? Who gon' stop me? Who gon' stop me high? Who gon' stop me? Who gon' stop me high? Like a king, give me my crown.
Hey, welcome to Art of Sports. How can I help you today? Are you searching something specific?
I'm looking for shoes.
Okay, then please follow me. I will now show you our selection of shoes. This is our collection of shoes. Let me know if you have any further questions about any shoe.
Hello and welcome to Bollig Consulting. Marcus is currently in a meeting, but I can show you already our office if you want.
Yes, sure.
Okay, then please follow me. I will now guide you through the office and show you the different rooms. Hey there, my name is Fabian. Would you like to learn more about my story and the work with Bollig Consulting?
Yes, sure.
Hi there, I'm Fabian Grunman, founder and CEO of NeoxEntertainment GmbH. We help service providers and agencies in highly competitive industries differentiate themselves from the crowd and build trust by using virtual 3D showrooms, thereby reducing their sales cycles by 40% within 3-4 months.
Keep moving, keep moving. Keep moving, keep moving. Foot on the gas, cannot let them pass. They won't stop the movement. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Keep pushing, keep pushing. No matter how hard they try, they know that they can't stop the mission. Keep running, keep running, keep running, keep running, cause they're gonna test us. Keep running, keep running, keep running, keep running, so they cannot catch us. Keep running, keep running, keep running, keep running, cause they wanna test us. Keep running, keep running, keep running, keep running, good luck trying to catch us. Good luck trying to catch us. ain't gon' never stop. Good luck trying to catch us. We ain't gon' never stop. Keep moving, keep moving. Keep moving, keep moving. Foot on the gas. Keep running so they cannot catch us. Keep running, keep running, keep running, keep running, cause they wanna test us. Keep running, keep running, keep running, keep running. Good luck trying to catch us.